Hello everyone, I am Sheetal Grover and I am the admission in charge at Delhi Model Virtual School. Also, I teach English at DMVS. Today, I am here to brief you about DMVS and also to guide you about the admission process at Delhi Model Virtual School. तो आइए सबसे पहले जानते हैं Delhi Model Virtual School के बारे में. It is a full-time regular school. That means if you are enrolled at DMVS, simultaneously आप किसी और स्कूल में एडमिशन नहीं ले सकते. Also, we offer holistic development for all our kids. We also are affiliated to Delhi Board of School Education, which is DBSA. We offer diverse subject combinations to our students and we offer continuous assignments and competency-based assessment to our students. यहाँ पर mentor-mentee connects भी रहते हैं. That means each student at DMVS is allotted a mentor and the mentors are the teachers from DMVS. During those mentor-mentee connects, we teachers guide our students for all the personalized and support whatever is required by the mentees. We also offer high quality education which is accessible to the students through recordings and e-library. We offer support for competitive exams like JEE and NEET. Additional courses like German, Spanish and coding etc. are also available for the students of DMVS. आइए अब जानते हैं स्कूलिंग प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में जिसे हम पोर्टल भी कहते हैं. The student when log in to the schooling platform or the portal gets access to class schedule, that is timetable, live class links, e-library with recordings. That means if you happen to miss any of your live class, you can always go back to your schooling platform and watch the recordings. Virtual labs का access कर सकते हैं आप schooling platform के जरिए and also assignment submission section is there. That means when you submit your assignments, you have to submit on this portal and there the teachers will evaluate and check your assignments and will grade you accordingly. अब हम जानते हैं the subjects which are offered for grade 9. For grade 9, we offer foundational subjects which are English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science and EMDD. अगर हम class 11th के बारे में बात करें तो we offer STEM subjects where English is a mandatory subject, chemistry and physics are also mandatory, maths and bio you can choose any one of these, and from the rest of the subjects you can choose any one or two subjects as per your liking. If we talk about humanities subjects, English is a mandatory subject. From rest of these subjects you can always choose any 4 or 5 subjects as per your liking and your interest. It's time for us to hear what DMVSians have to say about DMVS. So let's hear what our students have to say about DMVS.
DMVS ज्वाइन करने के वैसे तो बहुत सारे रीजंस थे मेरे, पर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रीजन के एक नया एक्सपीरियंस मुझे चाहिए था. दूसरा कि आई वॉज सरप्राइज्ड बाय सीइंग द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू द DMVS. जैसे आई सी द टाइमिंग्स लाइक 8 से 12 हमारी क्लासेस होती हैं, तो लाइक उसके बाद बहुत सारा स्पेयर टाइम मुझे मिला अपनी हॉबीज को आगे परस्यू करने के लिए, लाइक मेरी स्किल्स को डेवलप करने के लिए. लाइक मैंने कोडिंग क्लासेस ज्वाइन की, उसके बाद कोडिंग मैंने सीखी, एनिमेशन मैंने बनाना सीखा उसके बाद, तो उन सबको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए.
We have given the opportunity to get the JEE level preparation by on the classes. So weekly हमारे टेस्ट होते हैं, 3-hour टेस्ट जिसमें 75 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, 25 फिजिक्स, 25 केमिस्ट्री एंड 25 मैथ्स. एंड देन उसी टाइम पे हमें हमारा स्कोर भी पता चल जाता है विद नेगेटिव मार्किंग. एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव गिवन सम रिसोर्सेज, मॉड्यूल्स, सो उससे हमें काफ़ी हेल्प हो रहा है.
Lovely words from our students. If you are also interested in taking admission at DMVS, admissions are now open for grade 9 and grade 11. So before we proceed to the application process and the admission process, जानते हैं eligibility criteria के बारे में. For grade 9, you should have passed or pursuing in class 8 from any recognized school or government school. If we talk about your age bracket, then you should be between 13 to 18 years of age as on 31st March 2025. Similarly, for class 11th, you should have passed grade 10th or should be currently pursuing in grade 10th. And if we talk about the age criteria, you should be between 15 to 20 years of age as on 31st March 2025. Also, 6 months relaxation is given depending upon case to case. It's now time for us to know about the admission process at Delhi Model Virtual School. The admission process is a 3-step process. So, अब हम जानेंगे step by step हर process को. The first step is online application form. सबसे पहले you have to register yourself at www.dmbs.ac.in. Once you register yourself, उसके बाद आप login करेंगे as existing candidate and then you have to fill your application form. You have to upload your documents and then you have to submit your application form. Now comes step 2, which is aptitude test. Details like your syllabus, guidelines, etc. will be shared on the website, applicant portal and also on your registered email IDs. Class 11 candidates can give aptitude test in the same stream which they have chosen while filling their application form. It's time for us to know about step 3, which is document verification and admission confirmation. Offer letter to the selected candidates will be sent on the registered email ID and applicant portal. Also, if you are selected, you have to submit your mark sheet, your transfer certificate, your school leaving certificate and other relevant documents in person at Delhi Model Virtual School at the mentioned address. I'm sure students now you know the complete process of admission. Still, if you have any queries, I will recommend you to visit FAQ section and know more about your issues and get them resolved. Also, you can mail us to support@dmbs.ac.in. I am sure you now know the entire process and the 3-step process of admissions. If you are excited to be a part of DMBS, to go to www.dmbs.ac.in and fill in your application form right now.